This is part 2 of decoding numbers, colors, and here I'll continue colors and go into words and sounds. So white, the feeling which I put words on would be air, and this color here, brown, nature or grounded, and orange, illuminated, yeah, yellow, sun, um, the green means go, it means exit, and also it means nature. Um, Gray, mixture of white, black. So okay, but that's kind of simple. Then I take it to the next level, and like if I look at a person coming, like let's say with black shoes, so I would say he's walking on, you know, um, the unknown, infinite potential. And then there is some gray here, so it means there is some light spots or air frequencies, let's call it that. Then there's some human skin color, and so it means I vibrate on those. So if I would be naked and you would see me coming naked, then you would instantly read me as vibrating on those um, frequencies. Just yeah, you might from the naked thing, but also it's colors, and you can go further, like reading a person up. Okay, in this case, my pants would be dark blue, like deep sea, and this would be like I'm standing on this. I have also like grounded here the color purple with white inside, so it's the mixture of red and blue, which some they might say uh, like when you're wise. Okay. Um, Dark black shirt, and again some purple. And okay, I might start to my life now. I sometimes do consciously, but most of all my clothes and stuff is from the Almighty. So it's stuff which I get living around, and I just uh, collect it, grab on it. So it's stuff which also comes on my path, and therefore it's let's call it unconsciously, or the greater powers than my own will, what I can choose from if I see a pair of shoes. Um, okay, so going into words and sounds, my name is Marco, and if I would read my name, I would say uh, the similarities. Um, I resemble other words and the meaning I get from these words, like mar. Okay, we have ocean in Italian, or in some Latin, and then we have also Mars, like the warrior planet or whatever, Mars, Mars, and there's also, if I go into like the name Marco, I can go into the frequency of the persons in history, also like Marco Polo, um, or we have Marco from the disciples, evangelistic, one of the four, talking about Jesus. Mm. So I and co. Okay, co is means together with. Okay, so Mar and co together with the ocean, or Mars again with the warrior Mars planet frequencies. Again, it's all it's so hard to make images for frequencies, and that's kind of like almighty what I see. The whole reality itself is like a great symphony of music, and it's shown out in pictures um, and experiences. Okay, so okay, if I turn it around, my name would be Okram, and Kram in Danish means like is like a hug, um, maybe a deep hug, and oh, it's like so. I get those words. Oh, Kram. It's also like sometimes if I want to read a word or a person I meet, and what is your name, and they say Lily. I'm like Lily. They're like this kind of vibe. Um, and many times I see that it resembles. Um, okay, so I wanted to show also examples of words in different language. Like I have written I in I think 9 different language here. Jeg, I, jeg, yo, as, Anna, Mimi, je, ich, yo. Det var yo. And I will find the similarities in one moment. And this is you in different languages. Die, you, tú, usted, anta, hueve, vous, dich. And okay, without any feeling about it, just words and sounds. But breathing them in, I feel that this one, ja, je, it's like monkey language or like a child or something like it's pulling me inward. Je, I, yo, io, as, an. I don't know if you feel this. Me, like so it's like and this one is like die, you, tú, usted, anta. You know,